Rasta, everybody.
So this me I talk about now. Me I talk about how, you know what I mean, our people just friendly for make everybody come in at them space. And them brother are basically are informed on themselves and I go put police on them case right you know. Because some, you know what I mean, white team man come in at them community with a camera, you know what I mean, them let him in, tell him all of them secrets. And this is not, let me tell you something, this is not just Jamaica alone, you know, it's everywhere the children of Israel is, you know. It happened in Trinidad, it happened in Guyana, it happened in Brazil. You know what I mean? The only difference with Brazil now, them have a more system, you know what I mean? We not condone gangs, see? But Brazil have a more system where them have rules where these tourists card. I guess Brazil no frightened for that. Because Brazil knows the favelas, you know what I mean? I will touch upon a Brazilian version of this soon. See? But the Brazilian favelas, them run under order. You know what I mean? But we are so, as a people, you know what I mean? We are so welcoming to other people. They don't even know if this brother, this devil, you know what I mean? The white team man is the FBI. They don't even know if a police. They don't even know if all of this is a plan. You know what I mean? Forget, you know what I mean? Arrest people who have broke the law in a certain countries. They don't know, but them willing to tell all of them hard. Sometimes I tell a lie on themselves. You understand? So, you know what I mean? And now you have to ask the question, would they be so welcoming to somebody from, for example, another community coming into them space, asking questions with cameras? If it was a black person with a camera, then would they get so much welcoming and love from, you know what I mean, the people at Trenchtown? You know what I mean? So without further ado, I'll jump back straight into it. You know what I mean? Just something for you to think about.
To do something.
Are they real cigarettes though?
You have real cigarette, you have original craving it.
You got an Instagram as well?
No, I lose my phone at this time.
Oh, I was going to try and get if people want cheap cigarettes, if I could drop you a DM on Instagram, yeah.
Tourists coming, you see that? It's normally tourists always.
This is tourist time, like midday, yeah?
Yeah, no. Yeah, tourists come around anytime. Because over there, you have the culture, that's where Bob Marley found his life.
And how do the locals feel about the tourists coming round? Are you happy for them to come?
Yeah, man, because the locals get a benefit from it, you know.
Yeah, brings money into the community.
Bring money to the community. They buy our food, they like our music.
Yeah, okay, so this is Brinks Music. This is the studio, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen this on Chris's channel, yeah.
Yeah, man, one brick.
Engineer. Hello, see you're keeping it clean all the time?
Yeah, we just have brush.
Cleaning up the debris on the floor, which might be a bit of local herb.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, nice. Yeah, it gets hot in here when you record, yeah?
Gino. We got the air conditioner.
Yeah. Can I come in, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, yeah.
That is it.
So what kind of equipment? Tell the people what kind of equipment you got now.
Alright, so far we have a Mac. This is like a 2017 iMac.
Yeah.
We have, I guess, the latest OS running on it.
Yeah, nice.
We use Logic device.
Yeah.
And we build the beats in Fruity Loops.
Yeah.
Yeah. And just a regular setup because they don't know when really financially.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just use a budget studio and it does the work well.
Where does the most money come in from the artists? Is it from record sales at shows and things like that?
Yeah, for you, that's at the shows.
Yeah, because there's fuck all money in Spotify, is there? You
Right,
get like
no.
0.0001 cent, yeah.
As he's saying, right now, most of the money will come from shows because there's not a lot of people know the artists are. The music is underground, as we would call it.
Yeah.
It's not really worldwide yet or island wide yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah.
Because you know, the more you do shows, the more you release music, and the more you go in the streets promoting the songs, they're gonna get bigger.
Yeah.
And when guys like you come and do this type of interview, it give us a broader spectrum of people from overseas see the music, and we get more fans from these things.
Yeah, I mean, like at the moment, like 55% of my viewers are from the UK, 20% are from the USA. So that's a good reach for guys like you know what I mean? You never know, you never fucking know. Like you could get one record producer in New York who's watched one of my videos, who could go,
That is it.
I really vibe with that track. Let's fly these guys over. And then you never know. That's how it starts. You know what I mean? So like being open to everything. People that are young entrepreneurs, young hustlers in the music industry, any art, like be open to being showcased, yeah.
This one is regard.
Money can't go and a pussy can't talk on the money talk. Yeah, so good. Around the streets before we grow up. Change kid to get the product. A couple millions, them won't forget the whole of. And them don't know we that fit so rough. I'm gonna give this month a house now. Fuck it, want a compound lifestyle. Turn up, can't turn down. Cause the money talk. Yeah, the money talk loud and the pussy can't talk when the money talk. So what? Cause from backwards and quad, and we do floors easily without faking. I just myself and she like it, she can't break it. No fire than a blaming, no fire than a blaming.
And hopefully, like maybe, if people come to Trenchtown, they don't just go to the culture yard, they just don't go and look at the murals of Bob Marley. They come and look at the upcoming youth, the things that are coming up. Like, I don't want to say the next Bob Marley, because there won't be another Bob Marley, but the people that are now going to take that influential place. Yeah, and there's me putting the lights up. Yeah, there you go. You just put your fingers on the... yeah, you get a little bit of a spark, and you get some light. Yeah, come down, check out the boys' studio. Let's do it, yeah. That is it. That is it. In Trenchtown, do you guys see music as a gateway for kids to keep themselves out of trouble and to focus on the good things, build positive habits, and move forward to like successful lives and stuff as well?
It's not just even Trenchtown, it's like the whole world. There's a lot of talented artists that doesn't have the financial accessibility to help them go to the next level. So music is just like, I don't know what to call it. Music is just like it's like a belief, like when you believe in God, you just have it as your belief that will carry you through the rest of your journey. Yeah. So we're still doing it whether or not we're big or small, because one day it's gonna break through. We just have to consistent doing it. Yeah. Because one day it's gonna be at the level that we want it.
I like the analogy of a belief in God. Yeah. Because I think everybody needs a higher purpose. True. You don't have to be religious or not. To me, it doesn't matter which God you believe in or not. I think we're all of the same thing anyway. We just look at things from a different angle. Yeah. But if you have a higher purpose, the problem for people in life is when they don't have an inspiration, a higher purpose, they don't have anything to reach up towards, they start reaching down. So music can be that higher purpose. It can empower people,
Music is one of the most powerful forces in the world.
Absolutely.
It just all depends on the message and the influence behind it.
Come on. It's your boy. Yeah. See, he's friendly. People told me not to make and pet the street dogs of Jamaica, but he's not a street dog. He's part of the gang.
Yeah, he's part of the gang. He's not a street dog.
Is he even security?
Yeah, he's clean.
Yeah. He's clean house, yeah. What's his name?
No, we don't name them.
You don't name the dogs, no?
See, Jamaican take that as disrespectful. Just in case, so I should call him Rex.
Okay.
And you pop up and have a friend named Rex. And you Rex hear me calling the dog Rex.
Oh, okay, so that's like calling Rex a dog.
Yeah, so we don't do that.
Okay, yeah.
We don't name them.
Yeah.
Yeah, because next thing we give him a name and he's carrying the same name as someone.
Yeah.
And then it's so happened that you bring that person around here. And you hear we say, come Rex, and they're like, I ain't going back that place.
So you just know him by sight, yeah?
Right, and you know it, because I'm going to say, down there, they call dog Rex, and that's my name.
We were just talking off camera where this bloody new camera got almost overheated. But we were talking about what you really need in life in Jamaica.
What we really need in Jamaica, we just smoke weed, drink, make music, make love. That's it.
And eat great food.
And great food.
Yeah.
That's it. We Jamaicans. Yeah.
Like I've noticed since I've been in Jamaica that the prices are the same as like the UK or the US, but the wages aren't the same, are they?
No.
No. So that's like, people are just pinched for normal wages, yeah.
That's it. So basically, we are just working to feed ourselves.
Yeah.
That's it.
And that forces people to do other things on top, migrate, but also hustle,
job, your one job cannot do.
No, you need more than that.
You need more than that. Because listen, if we, in the Caribbean, the prices is the same as on the international market. And then the wages are totally different. Totally different.
I'd say less than a quarter.
Okay. Yeah. So check that. What percentage of that? We in the Caribbean, we're not gonna develop. We're not gonna develop. So we're gonna keep poor. Yeah, may I talk it as it is. We're gonna keep poor because our wages is below average. The wages in